Okay, I just wanted to give you a quick tour of my beehive before I put the bees in. I had bees 2 years ago and they got taken over by wasps and died. So I have a bunch of leftover frames. See, the wax is pretty dark. There's a bit of honey left over on the top there, and some pollen. That's frame 1. The first board here is a backer board. Second frame, more pollen and honey. On the third frame, same thing. There is a couple larvae in there, capped brood, that the wasps didn't get to. The fourth one, I'm putting an empty bar. This is where I'm going to put the queen. So the one marked number 4 is number 5. There's a lot more pollen, honey, and some capped brood. Let's see. Frame 5. A lot more pollen in this one. Still a good amount of honey for them to use this year. Hoping not to have to feed them at all. Frame 6 is completely empty on one side, has honey on the other. You can see some, it looks like maybe queen cells they were starting at the end there. Maybe the queen died on them. More empty with little honey on top. And then the last few bars here is where I harvested the honey left over after the bees died. So that has some wax on the top of the bars. And then I got a backer board again, little, just about halfway, to contain them in about half the hive. And on this side, just a board to cover it, with a couple empty, clean top bars. So that's about it. I'll be putting the bees in a few minutes here.